And action. Okay, now we're going to go inside here and find out where this stringer is that's underneath here. See if I can get a picture of it without losing the phone. It's right there underneath the deck. You might be able to see the bottom edge of it just right in there. So I'll probably get the oscillating multi-tool to trim her out. Here's the frame inside here that we're looking for here. So evidently the cleat is right there, so the frame is actually right here. So it's barely stopped in time. In fact, I shaved just a hair off the top there. The frame's about a quarter-inch thick. In fact, this piece is almost ready to come out.